Do you wake up looking like you deep fried chin chin on your face overnight? Oily skin can be frustrating, but what if I told you that you could control this shine naturally without expensive products? Stick around because today I'm sharing a step-by-step natural skincare routine that will leave your skin fresh, balanced, and glowing minus the grease. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, your home for simple natural skincare tips. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a glow up moment. Step 1. Cleanse morning and night. First up, cleansing. Oily skin produces more sebum, and if you don't remove it properly, it clogs your pores and leads to breakouts. But don't use harsh soaps, they strip your skin and makes it produce even more oil. Instead, try my favorite honey and aloe vera cleanser. Honey is antibacterial, aloe vera suits the skin. It's the perfect duo. Just make 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Massage gently for a minute, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel clean but not tired. Step 2. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliation is key for oily skin. It removes dead skin cells and keep your pores clear. My go-to is an oatmeal and yogurt scrub. Oatmeal absorbs excess oil while yogurt contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Massage in cycles for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse, but please don't exfoliate every day. Twice or thrice a week is enough to avoid irritation. Step 3. Tone. After cleansing, always tone. A toner balances your skin's pH, tightens your pores and controls excess oil. 2 great natural options are green tea toner, antioxidant rich and refreshing. Apple cider vinegar toner, antibacterial but you must dilute it. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water. I love to keep my green tea toner in the fridge. It's like a mini spa moment every morning. Step 4. Moisturize. Yes, you still need it. Here's the truth. Skipping moisturizer makes oily skin worse. When you skip it, your skin thinks it's dry and produces more oil. To compensate, for oily skin, use lightweight natural moisturizers like pure aloe vera gel or jojoba oil. They hydrate without making you greasy. Step 5. Protect with sunscreen. Sun damage makes oiliness, pigmentation, and acne scars worse. Choose a mineral-based sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium oxide. They are less greasy. If you prefer something natural, aloe vera mixed with raspberry seed oil offers some protection, but it's not just a replacement for proper SPF. Sample morning routine. 1. Cleanse with honey and aloe vera. 2. Tone with green tea spritz. 3. Moisturize, aloe vera gel. 4. Protect, mineral sunscreen. Sample night routine. 1. Cleanse, honey and aloe vera. 2. Exfoliate, 2 to 3 times per week, oatmeal scrub. 3. Tone, ACV toner. Moisturize, jojoba oil or aloe vera gel. Extra tips. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Eat more fruits, veggies and omega-3 rich foods. Change your pillowcases regularly. These small habits make a huge difference for oily skin. So there you have it, your full natural skincare routine for oily skin. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is always shining. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next one. Bye.